In the previous video, we have learned about circular grid. In this video, we are still discussing the circular grid, but with many grid circle and its position is irregular, which will form a logo design. I create this video because demand for some friend who wanted this tutorial. Although I have shared a trick on previous video like flower effect tutorial. However, many who do not understand if it's not practiced. Okay, we see the final design here, like this. This is a sharp logo design with circular grid. Before making this design, I have made sketch of gravity logo design on paper, and this picture is a scan of my scribbles. Okay, open your Inkscape. Here we will change the background color to a dark color, so help us when design logo. You can adjust in file menu and choose document properties, or with shift Ctrl D. In here you can choose background color section and change color code with code 192327FF. Close background color window, and then don't forget uncheck show back border. Close document properties. Here we import scans image earlier. You can use my image just as an example. I have included this image in the video description below. Click file menu and choose import, and choose logo sketch and open, and click OK. Okay, and then open layer in layer menu and choose layer, or shift Ctrl L. And here I replace the layer name with the name of sketch. And the next, click add new layer, and for layer name is logo design. Click add, and for sketch layer, click key icon for lock this sketch layer, and for opacity we will reduce with the number 10, and the next we can create wireframe with perfectly circular object. Okay, click this icon for create circle, or with F5 with keyboard shortcut. Okay, with control key, sorry, because we cannot create object. Choose logo design layer and create circular object like this. In here I disable fill and enable stroke paint, and I give a white color, and for stroke cell for width I will change with the number 0.8 pixel, and also click this key icon for change both width and height by the same proportion. Okay, resize and move like this, copy and paste, resize, move, sorry, paste again, resize, and move like this, paste again, move, resize like this, paste again, move like this. To shorten the time of making this circular grid, we use circular grid that was so. I have included file in the video description below. Okay, you can open Sharp Logo wireframe. Like this, and okay, in here we've had wireframe. For precaution, we pick up in different layer. Here I add new layer, click create a new layer, and for layer name is wireframe, and click add, and select all of object, I mean circular object, because this is a group of object, we must ungroup, and then right click and duplicate, right click again and choose move to layer. Make sure you must choose wireframe and then click move like this. Click key icon for wireframe layer, and here I will hide for wireframe layer. Okay, click logo design layer and select all of object or circular object, and in here I will yellow color, and I disable stroke paint, and then choose path menu and choose exclusion. The result will be like this. Here there is an open space, and we had to shut it down. How to fill it? The trick for left circle to cover the result object exclusion earlier. We create a left circle and move to cover the result object exclusion earlier like this. In here we click lower selection to bottom like this, and I will give a blue color like this and select both objects, and then click path menu and choose division. Okay, in the next steps we will remove the objects that are not necessary. To make the process easier, we reduce opacity for logo design layer. We reduce with number 45 like this, and then select manually one by one like this. Select, 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 delete, 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 delete. Delete, 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 delete one by one like this. Okay, we change opacity to 100. In the steps we have made the basic form of a shark logo, because it is still in the form of pieces of the object, we will be united. We select a portion of the upper body with edit path. Select with edit path. Select manually again, one by one. Like this. And unit with path union. Here we give a dark blue color like this, and select for tail section. Sorry. Okay, unit with path menu and choose union. Okay, select manually. Sorry. Unit with path menu and choose union. Select unit with path menu and union. Select. Sorry. Select unit with path menu, choose union like this. Okay, in these steps we give the color for this section and this section. We give a dark blue color with color code 008888 like this. And for this section and this section, give the color code P5, T2, T6 like this. Okay, for next steps we give gradient. Before do that, we give a shadow section with Bezier curve. Click this node, click and back to the starting point like this. Okay, select both object, and then I will enable for fill and disable stroke paint, and then unit with path menu and choose union, and select this object and this object, and choose path and choose difference like this. Okay, we give a gradient, select this object and this object, and right click and choose duplicate and reduce for brightness like this, and click gradient icon and click and drag like this, and also this section like this. And for this section and this section and this section, duplicate, right click and choose duplicate and unit with path menu and choose union, and click lower selection to bottom and select this section, and this section. We reduce brightness like this and give a gradient, in here I disable snapping, give gradient like this, okay. In here I hide sketch layer, and you can show wireframe like this. Okay, finally we have made a sharp logo design with circular grid in Inkscape. If you are still confused, please ask me in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you can make a logo design that is better than this. See you again in the next video.